How to deactivate your Snapchat account. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your app store or the play store that you are using, and here you have to go on the search and you have to simply search for the Snapchat. Now once you're in the Snapchat, you just have to scroll down and open up the Snapchat application, and here you have to update your Snapchat. And after that you just have to go back and you have to open up your Snapchat application. Now once you're in here, in the top left corner there is the option of your profile. You just have to click on it, and from here you have to click on the gear icon that is in the top right corner, and you have to go in your Snapchat settings. So once you are in your Snapchat settings, here you just have to scroll down, and here is the option of the account actions. You have to click on the delete account. So once you are in the delete account, here what you have to do is simply add your username and add your password, and you just have to continue it, because the Snapchat doesn't give you any option to deactivate your Snapchat account. So this is the only option that you can delete your account of the Snapchat. But if you still don't want to delete your account, the last option is you just have to go back and you have to delete your Snapchat. If you want to take a break from your Snapchat, you either have to delete the app, and the other option is you just have to delete your account. So these are two options that how you can take your Snapchat account. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.